Hello, welcome back to my channel, and today here I am with an unboxing video. This is a DT kit from Itsybitsy craft store. If you are following me on Instagram, you might be know that I have been selected as a designer of Itsybitsy craft store last month, and I'm super duper excited and happy that I could be a part of the team because it's my favorite brand. So this is my January kit. I have already received the December kit, but I was not able to shoot a video on that. So I'm not making it lengthy. Let's get into the video. Before that, if you're watching my channel for the first time, or if you're watching my videos for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to tap on the bell icon for the notification. These are the items I received in the kit. Let's see one by one. So when we are going to start, you can start from here, which is my favorite part, the flowers, the handmade flowers from Itsybitsy. So let's see one by one. So these are the flowers I received, and there are few more flowers. So this is a pack of chipboard, and here we have one more flower too, which is a violet purplish pink color. So I have already used it with some of the chipboard from this. So these are the chipboards. And the next is a big huge box of flowers, flag, and I really love this. I love even the box, which is so beautiful packing. I can use this box for making some DIY, right? And next we have the glues. So 3 glues: the scrapbooking glue, the little birdie craft glue, and the silicone glue. Next we have a pack of crystal stones and cheesecloth. So next one is this paper pack session. So first one is this journaling cardstock of 4 into 6 inches woodland stories, and this 6 into 6 paper pack of shabby chick bouquet, and next the same woodland stories 6 into 6 inch paper pack, songs of the sea 6 into 6 inch paper pack, and this is the white cardstock I received, but I already opened it and have used the cardstock. These are so good cardstock. I really love the texture and the thickness. Okay. So next, the 12 into 12 inch paper pack, and let's see. So the first one is Fairy Sparkle. This is my favorite. And the Sanctuaries other paper pack, and the purple passion. Oh, these are so beautiful. So these are the paper packs I received in the kit. And the flowers. So yeah, So these are the items I received in the DT kit. So happy for all. Okay, that's all about the kit. I'm not doing the detailed video because now I'm planning to have a detailed session of Itsybitsy products, so that I will be sharing the details of all the product in that. Thank you for watching.